Hi everybody, today we are going to solve the examples on indices. In last lectures we have solved basic types of examples on indices. Now first example is solve 25 raised to 3 by 2 into 243 raised to 3 by 5 divided by 16 upon 5 by 4 into 8 raised to 4 by 3. So it can be solved by, here 25 can be written as 5 square raised to 3 by 2 multiplied by 243 raised to 3 by 4, which here 243 can be written as 3 raised to 5 raised to 3 by 5, okay, divided by 16 raised to 5 by 4, where 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 raised to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3 raised to 4 by 3. Okay, now we multiply, we use a rule a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So here 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 multiplied 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 by 5 divided by 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 5 by 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 4 by 3. Okay, now first here we simplify, here 2 and 2 get cancelled, here 5 ones are 5 get cancelled, here 4 get cancelled, and here 3 get cancelled. So remaining part will be 5 cube multiplied by 3 cube divided by 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 4, okay, which gives, here power is same, so we can write it as 5 into 3 bracket raised to cube divided by 5 into 3 bracket raised to cube divided by, here base is same, so 2 raised to 5 plus 4. Okay, so we can write 15 cube divided by 2 raised to 9, which is equal to 3375 divided by 512, okay, which is our answer. Okay, in this step 5 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3, which we can write it as, here power is same, so we can write 5 into 3 in bracket and bracket cube, so it will give next step. Okay, here is some. Now next example is 5 into bracket 8 raised to 1 by 3 plus 27 raised to 1 by 3 bracket cube bracket total bracket raised to 1 by 4. So first here 5 into bracket 8 raised to 1 by 3 can be written as 2 raised to 3, okay, raised to 1 by 3 plus 27 can be written as 3 cube raised to 1 by 3, okay, and bracket cube and total bracket raised to 1 by 4 as it is. Okay, now next here again using rule a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. In these two terms we can write 5 into bracket 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 3 plus 3 raised to 3 into 1 by 3 bracket cube and whole bracket this square bracket raised to 1 by 4. So here we get, here 3 get cancelled, here also 3 get cancelled, so power will be become 1, here power will be become 1, so we get 5 into bracket 2 plus 3 2 raised to 1, which is 2 plus 3 bracket cube raised to 1 by 4, okay, which gives 5 into bracket 2 plus 3 is 5 cube bracket raised to 1 by 4. Now here 5 into bracket 5 raised to 3, which means 5 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Here base will be same, here is nothing, so it can be considered as 5 raised to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 4. So bracket term will be written as 5 raised to 4 bracket raised to 1 by 4. Again using rule a raised to m raised to n as 5 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. Here 4 get cancelled and remain 5 raised to 1 only, which is our required answer. Answer we get is equal to 5. Okay. If we have given an example of the type square root of 2 into under root of 2, under root of 2 and so on, it's processing in this way only. So its direct answer is 2. Okay. You do not need any calculation. Write direct answer 2. Consider next example square root of 5, root of 5, root of 5 and so on. So its answer will be equal to, directly you can write as 5. Okay. Consider next example. Find largest from 3 raised to 500, 4 raised to 400, 5 raised to 300, 6 raised to 200. Okay. In this type of example, here power term is 500, here 400, in next it is 300, in next it is 200. Okay, in this type of example we have to first find HCF of this power, that is highest common factor of 500, 400, 300, 200. Highest common factor means a largest number which is divisible to all this 500, 400, 300 and 200. If you see these 4 numbers, you can say that highest common factor or highest common divisor is here 100, because 100 divides 500, 400, 300 and 200. Okay. After this 100 there is no any more term which can divide all this number. It should be common to all. Okay. So here 100 is our common factor. So we can write here this 3 raised to 500 as 3 raised to 5 into 100. Okay. So which can be written as, by using m raised to n rule, 3 raised to 5 bracket raised to 100. Okay. And 3 raised to 5 is 243. Okay. So here first term calculation is over. We have to write all these terms in power of 100. Okay. Next 4 raised to 400, which gives 4 raised to 4 into 100. Okay. Which is 4 raised to 4 bracket raised to 100, which is equal to 4 raised to 4th term is 256 bracket raised to 100. Okay. Next it is 5 raised to 300, which is equal to 5 raised to 3 into 100, which is equal to 5 raised to 3 bracket raised to 100, which is equal to 5 cube is 125 bracket raised to 100. Okay. Next it is 6 raised to 200, so it can be written as 6 raised to 2 into 100, which gives 6 square bracket raised to 100, which is 36 raised to 100. Okay. Here now power terms of each are same, which is 100. Now we decide from base which is largest number. Here base value is 243, here it is 256, 125 and 36. From this 4, 256 is largest base. So here largest term will be largest value is, here largest value will be 256 raised to 100. Okay, that is, which is 256 raised to 100 is value of 4 raised to 400, which is 4 raised to 400. Okay, which is our answer. Okay, and here in this type of example we have to find the common factor, highest common factor, HCF, or highest common divisor, largest common divisor. Okay, here largest common divisor of this is 100. Okay, and we have solved, we have converted these terms in the power of 100. After that, whose base is larger, it will be largest value. Here largest value will be 256 raised to 100. If we try in this example only, if we have to write ascending order will be, for this example, ascending order will be, here smallest value is 36 raised to 100, 36 raised to 100. Okay, after that it will be base which is small, greater than 36 is 125, which is 125 raised to 100. After that it will be 243 raised to 100, and last it will be 256 raised to 100. That is 36 raised to 100 is 6 raised to 200. 125 raised to 100 is 5 raised to 300. Next, 243 raised to 100 is 3 raised to 500, and last it is 5 raised to 300, which is our ascending order. Next example is find largest value from 2 raised to 1 half, 3 raised to 1 by 3, 4 raised to 1 by 4, 6 raised to 1 by 6, and 12 raised to 1 by 12. Now here the power terms are in the form of fraction. Okay, so we first find out the LCM of this. So now here LCM of, here base denominator is 2, second denominator is 3, here 4, 6 and 12, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, now LCM, which is least common multiple. Okay, smallest common multiplier is, so here 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. I think 12 is our least common multiple, which is present in 2, 2 6 are 12, in 3 it is 3 4s are 12, it is 4 4 3s are 12, 6 6 2s are 12, and 12 itself, 12 1s are 12. Okay, if we consider 6 as a LCM, it is not LCM because it is present in 2, it is present in 3, because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, but in 4 it is not there. 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 1s are 4, so it is will not be LCM. Okay, you know, in previous standard you have seen LCM, least common multiple, that process only you have to use. Okay, now here we have to write these terms in power of 12, 1 upon 12. Okay, because we have find here LCM. Now here 2 raised to 1 half can be written as 2 raised to 1 half multiplied by 12 upon 12. Okay, because 12 get cancelled, it will be 1, and 2 raised to 1 half is same as this left side also. Okay, now 2 raised 1 half into 12 by 12, which can be written as 12 1s are and 12 6s are 12. So 2 can be written as 6 upon 12. Now again it can be written as 2 raised to 6 bracket raised to 1 upon 12, and 2 raised to 6 is 64 bracket raised to 1 by 12. Okay, this is our first term conversion in terms in power of 1 by 12. Next, 3 raised to 1 by 3 can be written as 3 raised to 1 by 3 multiplied by 12 upon 12. Same process as above, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, which can be written as 3 raised to 4 upon 12, which is equal to 3 raised to 4 bracket raised to 12. Here 3 raised to 4 is 81 bracket raised to 12. 1 upon 12, sorry. 1 upon 12. Okay. Next is 4 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 4 multiplied by 12 upon 12, which can be written as 4 raised to 3 upon 12, which gives 4 raised to 3 bracket raised to 1 upon 12, which is equal to 4 cube is 64 bracket raised to 1 upon 12. Next, 6 raised to 1 by 6 is equal to 6 raised to 1 upon 6 multiplied by 12 upon 12, which is equal to 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, which gives 6 raised to 2 upon 12, which is equal to 6 square raised to 1 upon 12, which is 36 raised to 1 upon 12. And last term is 12 raised to 1 upon 12, which is equal to 12 raised to 1 upon 12, because it is in the power of 1 upon 12 only. Now, in this example, all terms are converted in the power of 1 upon 12. So, first term is 64, next is 81, next is 64, again it is 36, and last its base is 12. Okay, we have to find the largest value. So, here largest base is 81. Okay, so largest value is, we can write it as largest value. Okay, largest value is 81 raised to 1 upon 12, and it is of the term 3 raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so largest value is 3 raised to 1 upon 3, which is our required answer. And smallest value, if we have to find the smallest value, it will be smallest value, we have to see the base 12 raised to 1 by 12. Here 64, 81, 64, 36 and 12. Here 12 raised to 1 upon 12 is our smallest value. Okay. Next example is arrange in ascending order. We have to arrange this number in ascending order, that is from smallest to largest. Okay. Now here first term is 3 cube root of 5. Second term is 9th root of 4. Next term is 6th root of 3. Now we have the rule m root of a can be written as a raised to 1 upon m. Okay, so we write in the form of as, it can be written as 5 raised to 1 upon 3, 4 raised to 1 upon 9 and 3 raised to 1 upon 6. And we can solve by previous example process. Okay, or we can solve it by, now here LCM of 3, 9 and 6 is equal to 3, 9 and 6. LCM is common multiplier, least common multiple, which should be present in each term, is equal to 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 9 2 are 18 and 6 3 are 18. Okay, 18 is our least common multiple. Okay, now here 3 root 5 cube root of 5 can be written as, now to make here 18 we can write it as 3 6 are 18, we have to take 6th power in under root. Okay, 5 raised to 6, so that here it will be become 18th root of 5 raised to 6, which is equal to 18 root. Okay, 18 root of 5 raised to 6 is 15,625. Okay, all this term should be in a root. This is 18th root of 15,625. Next it is 9th root of 4. 9th root of 4, which is equal to, now same as above, we have to make here 18, so we have to take square, 4 square, because 9 2s are 18, so it will become 18, which gives 18th root of 16, Next is 3 raised to cube root, sorry, sixth root of 3, which can be written as, so to make here 18, we have to take power 6 into 3. Okay, 6 into 3 is 18, so 3 power will be 3, which is equal to 18 into square root of 27. So here ascending order is we have to start from smallest one. Now smallest root is here root 16, 18th root of 16. So smallest is 18th root 16. Okay, first. Second term will be 18th root 27, and last will be 18th root 15,625. Okay, that is 18th root of 16 is of 9th root 4 is our smallest value. After that, next smallest value is 6 root 3, and last is 3 root 5 is our largest value in the above example. Or you can solve this example as by previous method also. You have to take LCM, which is 18, and we have to convert all these terms in power of 18. It will be same as, it will be look as 15,625 raised to 1 upon 18. Okay, next it will be 16 raised to 1 upon 18, and last it will be 27 raised to 1 upon 18. It is same as previous. Okay, only some in this we have used different logic. Okay, so for homework I will give an example of same type. You can use any of one method, which is 12 root of 2 first term, next 3 root 3 and 6 root 6. You have to find ascending order. Okay, thank you.